Did you pick up the GoPro Hero 10 Black and you're wondering how to remove and install the lens cover on your GoPro? Maybe you'd like to clean it, or you'd like to install the Max lens mod, or maybe you bought a filter lens that you'd like to put on here. Well, today we're going to show you how to remove and install the GoPro lens cover. It's really quite easy to do. If you are new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Everyday, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing. It would really help me in growing here on YouTube. Let's go ahead and dive right into removing and reinstalling the lens cover on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. So let's go ahead and show you how to remove and reinstall the lens cover on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. I like to do this on a desk, so put it firmly on a desk is usually the easiest way. Now there is a rubber gasket in here that can sometimes get stuck, so you might need to pull or wiggle on it just slightly to release that. Now to remove this, we need to rotate the lens 90 degrees. So we're gonna actually just take the lens, give it a little wiggle there. You might have to pull on it slightly, and then you can rotate it. Let's give it a pull here, just like that. So you can see it'll start to rotate 90 degrees. And once you've got 90 degrees, you can give it a little wiggle and the rubber seal should release, and then you can pull it off. And I do want to show you what's holding it in place here. So you can see on the back side of the lens here, there's these two little bars, one there and one there, and they actually slide under these little lips here. So we need to make sure that we're rotating it 90 degrees to release these bars from those lips. Again, the same thing in reverse to reinstall it. We want to make sure that these bars are not being pushed down on these lips, so we can make sure those are at the top and the bottom. We're going to go over like this, and we're going to push it down firmly, and then we're going to rotate it 90 degrees, just like that. And those bars are going to slide under those lips, and the lens should pop right into place just like that. And you can see it does sit quite tight on there when it's reinstalled. So I hope this video was able to help you remove and reinstall the lens cover on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. Remember to subscribe here on YouTube. Until next time, thank you so much for watching and take care.